Aleph Group Inc. is proud to partner with Wickenburg Community Hospital, an organization committed to expanding healthcare access in rural Arizona. We manufactured their 40-foot mobile clinic designed with 2 exam rooms, a lab area, waiting area, and is fully ADA compliant. This state-of-the-art clinic is equipped with advanced medical technology and telehealth capabilities, bringing essential healthcare services to underserved communities. At Aleph Group Inc., we're dedicated to supporting healthcare organizations like Wickenburg Community Hospital in their mission to improve access and deliver quality healthcare where it's needed most. We extend our gratitude and thanks to Wickenburg Community Hospital for trusting us to be a part of their journey.